Ready?
Ready.
All right, clear left. Clear left.
Right.
Clear in the center. And the brakes work.
All right, good. Mark 2.
All right. We're going to get taken off. Taxiways are clear, though.
That's a place to yourself today. Right.
Clear left and clear center.
Awesome.
Be a right turn to get to runway
All right,
26.
good.
That's what the sign says.
Hopefully.
All right, as we line it up on the taxiway,
Contact makes uniform, current altimeter 3007.
we'll get uniform in the run up.
All right.
All right, as we deviate to the right, looking for that outside the turn, compass moves correctly, DG moves correctly, other side, altitude indicator is stable. DG compass steering and braking works, taxi checklist complete.
Good. Two just landing before we get there.
Sorry?
Two just landing before we get there.
Huh.
One on final one. Little chattering. Sure is.
What it is the thing that's supposed to keep it from swinging open is right here.
And listen to that. Oh, jet shot.
What do you say?
Oh, jet overshot.
Where? Jeez Louise. I'd go around on that one. That's not happening.
Got it, mate. That's a lose spacing.
Yeah. He's pretty tight on that guy behind there.
Well, I did that.
Not smooth. That's Paul's airplane.
Yeah.
Intercom squelch is off.
Yeah,
on the better intercom, you can adjust the squelch for each person. Problem is, it's like a general squelch here. You're going around. Missed approach. All right, run-up area is clear. Pull up towards the runway and face into the wind.
Group other people. Be polite.
And we'll just slow it down as we get inner.
Good, very good.
County ground, 161 Delta Foxtrot is clear of runway 26.
Straighten the nose wheel.
Alright.
Hangar Echo, please.
From 161 Delta Fox, turn right on in the
1,000 RPM.
from Bravo.
Alright, during the taxi, the lights were set, altimeter I set with the ATIS information. Brakes were tested, attitude indicator tested, turn coordinator was tested, and HI to compass. HI and the compass were tested. Run-up checklist, the brakes are set, flight controls, up, down, right, left. Flight controls are free and correct. Fuel selector is on both. The trim is set for takeoff. The mixture is rich. Run up. RPM is set.
And on the throttle.
Alright, good mag check, carb heat. RPM suction, fuel gauges do something, oil temps in the green, oil pressure's in the green. Alright, we got a good alternator.
Good.
Come across here. Everything looks good.
Take the carb heat.
Yes, I did.
Alright.
1,000 RPM.
Okay.
We got 0 here. We got 3 317.
Calculate and clear on 2000, 262.13.
Horizon, 0, center, and 3008. All right, everything else has been checked. We'll refer to the checklist. We'll go and close this window. Yours is closed, door's closed. All right. Throttle 1700 max were tested, very good. Carburetor heat was tested, engine instruments were checked, suction gauge was checked. Idle, I didn't check that, but it's fine. Throttle friction is adjusted, doors and windows are closed and locked. The rotating beacon is on, transponder, squawk altitude, joining the runway, time is reporting, and brakes we can release. As far as our abort plan, on the runway, trips canceled, braking as necessary, making sure we don't run off the runway. After rotation, reasonable one remaining, close the throttle, land the airplane, brake like a son of a gun, so we got to stop. With no one remaining, land straight ahead, 30 degrees on each side of the airplane, below 5 to 700, below 1,000 feet, below 1,000 feet. That's our work plan.
Okay.
Good? Good?
Good.
All right.
You have uniform?
Now you need to listen to that. After that, we'll be ready to go. I'll switch to tower frequency.
Uniform, time 1753, wind 3308, visibility 10. Calculate and clear below 2000, 262.13. Altimeter 3006. Runway 26 in use, expect a visual approach. On taxi and aircraft lead back, all runway hold short instructions include runway number. And advise on initial contact you have uniform.
All right, I do have uniform.
All right.
Put count confirmation uniform, time 1753, wind 330.
All right. Back up to the hold line. Turn on the left. Verify flaps up.
Flaps are up.
All right.
Final approach coming at us here.
Yep, that's why I'm turning here. Just a preliminary look. I don't see anybody. Airplane just landed.
Next taxiway. And what's your parking day?
So we're turning left here, Bravo, and we're going to Signature.